What's up, guys? I know it's been a bit since I did any Unturned stuff. I kind of took a break from 3D models there for a while, but as you can see by my desktop, yeah, we're kind of getting back into it. And my other monitors got even more. I've been working on a bunch of stuff. I haven't worked on it in a while, but I got a request to do a gas can or a jerry can or a fuel can or something that holds fuel. He wants it to hold He wants it to have 5,000 fuel storage. I forget how much mine has, but it's up there. But I already did one, so we're just gonna take a look at that. It's in my Fallout New Vegas pack. So we have this here jerry can. Forget how to move. Is that how to move? How do I move? Ah, right click. Okay. It's been a while. But yeah. So I figured rather than me redoing everything, I'd just talk about what I did. So we got our basic normal map and detail. Pretty self-explanatory. We got our model and items, fuels, gas. You just kind of throw this in here. And the position, you can just reset that. And then forget how to teleport to where this is. Ah, okay, double click on it. Alright. Dear Lord, this has been too long. Alright, so, and then from here, like we got our icon and stuff, or mesh. So, when we drag, which one's the one that we need? I guess that. Yep, so when we drag that in there, we gotta make sure that it's the right orientation. If it's not, then we gotta rotate it in Blender, or whatever 3D program you used. I really don't think that's the right normal. But alright. Because that kind of looks like a headlight. But yeah, we gotta change this from default to normal map. And then from there, just swap out the textures, do the LOD. It's actually already done. Do the box collider, all that good stuff. And we're just going to use the same animations and the same use sound. Yep. So then we move all that stuff over to the normal folder. And that's what we get. So then, once that's all done, we can export it. Our mouse is bothering me. So yeah, so export it, and then that should go. If I can find it. That should give me kind of close. Ah, that isn't the right one. Okay, we'll go change that now. Not sure how that got swapped, but normal map, apply. Dang it. Then we're just going to check and completed to make sure that this is updated. No, I'm still using the same normal map. I don't know. It's weird. Oh well. Alright, so that's fixed. We exported it. No, need uploads. Vegas. Items. Jerrycan. So we have our Unity 3D file. We have our English DAT. And since it's the new Vegas pack, I put it as a pre-war container of gasoline. And our other DAT should look something like this. So the ID, usable fuel, the rarity, type fuel, that should stay the same. Size in the inventory. Size Z, that's what you set your icon distance at. Or your so when you put your camera in here and go orthographic, that's what this is. That's the size. So this is like 0.3 or something like that. 0.6. So by throwing that back in here, 0.6. Right? You can see everything. Perfectly fine. Don't forget to remove that once you're done. Just putting that camera up there to get a visual of how you want it to appear in game. That's how that does. And then fuel. So I have mine set to 2,500. For the person who wants it 5,000, just change that to 5,000. We regular bundled it, so that goes in there. And not sure if this still messes with the textures or something like that, but as that bundle version 2. Save that, and then it should work. So, items, fuel, jerrycan. Bundles, items, fuels, jerrycan is already in there. I didn't change anything, so oops. So we'll close that, open that back up, launch Unturned for the first time in like 5 months. Since about the time that I came out of it with the other videos, the other tutorials. But yeah, I got lots of stuff coming. And while I'm working on stuff, I'm starting to upload some pictures to my Instagram account, which I never used before, like yesterday, I think. So yeah, that's a learning experience. But yeah. So if you guys want some sneak peeks, head over there. And my Instagram is also linked to my Wix website. Links to all that stuff are in my Discord server. And I'll probably put them in the description of this video. But yeah, lots of nice stuff coming. Hopefully soon. I'm really trying to work on the Warframe stuff. I got quite a few things ready for working Unturned. Work in Unity. I just haven't done anything in Unity. Most of it's just been work in Blender. So workshop, error logs. Okay, so apparently there's something wrong with that. Something. Oh, okay, that's fine. Apparently I gotta fix that. Missing clip game object for the makeshift bicycle. So I have to fix that. And then $15,222. Why is caps lock always on? Nope, it's not. It's not what the command is. There we go. So 100%. Wander over here, hopefully find a vehicle that needs gas. So we can throw some of this in here and get a reference for how much is actually in the gas can. It's not nice to spit poison at me. Yeah. Anywho, that should be right. It should give you 2,500. I don't see why it wouldn't. There's nothing in the model itself or work in Unity that would change that. this need fuel? Yeah, that needs fuel. Alright. I don't know how much the tractor uses. So 26. Alright. Do some quick math here. So, let's see. I'm gonna pull out an actual piece of paper. So let's see. So the tractor went from 26 to 100, and the gas can went from 100 to 40. And fuel 2000. Fuel 2000, okay, so tractor is 2000 fuel. So that's roughly, let's see, so that's 26 over 100 times 100, or equals 100 over 40. So it becomes 26 over 40. And then it's 2000 over x. Wait, hang on. No, I'm doing this wrong. So, we gotta take 2000 there you go. Time, right? No, divided by 0.26. No, it was times. Okay, so 520. That's how much fuel it had in it. So, it filled up 1,480. And that used up 60% of the gas can. So then, so 60% of the gas can is 1,480. So 100% of the gas can is 1,480 times 100 divided by 60. So, roughly 2,466. So yeah, close enough to 2,500. Yeah. So there you go. There you have it. That's how my brain works. That's how my brain figures things out. So yes, the gas can actually has 2,500 fuel in it. So that is right. Because I think the normal jerrycan only has. That's not what I meant to do. Bundles, items, fuels, gas. Yeah, 500. That's what I thought it was. So normal one's only got 500, so it'd take 4 fills on that empty tractor to fill it up. But since I decided I needed to do some math in here, this video went from about 10 minutes of just Unity to 20 minutes of me wandering around talking about math. Anywho, that's how to make a gas can in Unturned. I might do, I don't know, I'm debating. I might do like time lapses and stuff of me just doing some Unity work. Just, I don't know. It'll probably only be like 4 times so that you can do the quarter speed on YouTube. You'll only get like, let's see, if it's 60 FPS running at 4 times speed, then at normal speed you'd get 15 FPS. Which by any means is not the greatest. But that's if you want it for a tutorial, and I don't know. Anywho, that's enough of me rambling. You've been here long enough. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.